Guys, we are at H&H Restaurant in Macon, Georgia. This restaurant was started by Louise Hudson. She opened it with her cousin Inez, but she opened this restaurant in 1959. And there was a group who would later become the Allman Brothers. It was a little band that was there in the area, but they would later become the Allman Brothers, and she had a friendship with them. They would come in there and eat, and it was even said that at the beginning the band wasn't very stable right then, so they would come there and she would feed them for free, because she was known to say that nobody would ever go hungry in her restaurant. But she became friends with them, and that's Mama Louise right there on the wall. And she even earned a seat on their bus once in 1972, guys. So this restaurant is very iconic. So guys, come with me and join me for lunch. Thank you. This is raw, guys. Let me throw that in there. This is raw. I'm not changing anything in this video. I'm just going to let this video go as we had lunch without any editing.
Yeah, please. Appreciate you.
She don't want to call us. Thank you.
We got space.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Keep thanking you. Thank you.
Wow.
All right.
Wait a minute, move your hand, babe. Wait. Hold on.
You got that? You got cheeseburger?
I'm not getting. Oh shoot. I'm not getting you, Keita. Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay. It looked like it.
I think she may have forgotten you. You better catch her when she comes through.
Really?
Forgot what? These cheese sticks.
I need to allocate this.
So guys, we are at H&H Restaurant in Macon, Georgia.
Yes, we are.
Thank you. You want to try? Okay. You try mine. You can try that.
Bag that up and take it to the house.
Looks sweet enough to get somebody. I can smell the sweet on it.
Coach.
Like I said, we are at S&S.
Oh, baby, H&H.
I don't know why I always say that. We are at H&H. Guys, these are fried
So
green
we always stop
tomatoes.
at S&S. It's another cafeteria.
It is. It sure is.
Yeah.
So let's try these fried green tomatoes. I need a napkin. I need more napkins. Is this yours? A fork? I need a fork.
I gave him one.
Is that it's in there? We're gonna try these fried tomatoes. I don't know what this little white stuff is. That's on the fried greens tomatoes.
It's delicious.
Thank
We
you.
have something for the syrup specifically.
Guys, this is banana pudding. But I didn't order it.
That's banana pudding.
I didn't order
You
it.
did.
I said I asked her about it, but I didn't actually order it.
I asked her about it.
What is this?
And those are my rolls. I gotta show you those. Let's try these fried green tomatoes. What did it? The fried green tomatoes. Oh my
I
God.
don't know what that is, but it's good.
The fried green tomatoes? Oh yes.
I don't know what's on it. It tastes good.
Some sort of, I don't know what that is. I don't
It's
know.
kind of a
Some kind of a sweet.
Go ahead and taste it.
Oh my God. These are
What
amazing.
it is?
You like them? Those are the best fried green tomatoes
Never.
I've ever tasted. So now, guys, these are called soul rolls. Soul rolls, and they actually have
Soul in it.
collard greens, mac and cheese, fried chicken, and I can't remember what else. But they have like a little sauce. They have a little sauce on it. Oh,
Best
wow.
soul roll ever.
That is delicious. Like I said, guys, it's got mac and cheese, collard greens, fried chicken. That is delicious. And it has like this little sweet sauce.
Got my syrup.
Guys, that's delicious.
You want syrup?
Yep, that's right.
Oh, yeah, you know what I thought that was? I thought that was
Toast.
pork.
That is delicious.
Pork.
Now, guys,
Well, for future reference, this looks like the time to go. Excuse me. Syrup,
Sure.
please.
guys, This is squash casserole.
Gotta make sense.
Yeah. Oh, that is good. Wow, that's good. You like it?
Thank you.
So guys, now we're gonna try the collards. And the collards come with a like a little roll. Cornbread loaf.
Not even on syrup. If I sprinkle a little bit on it, then I'm good.
Wow. Oh, that's good. Guys, you know, before we start eating, we already said our grace. Those collard greens got like they got a kick to it. They spicy, but they good. Now, wow, this stuff is. This is the mac and cheese, guys. It's got gravy on the side of it. I'm sorry, because it's in the plate. Gravy. Pretty good. Good to you? Oh, that's good. So far, guys, everything is good. This, I think, beef tips. So let's try
Careful with
these.
those chips.
Kind of, with it.
Thick and chewy.
Okay, I'll be careful. Here we go. Beef tips. That's good.
What is it?
Beef tips.
I wonder what that was that you had.
You got a lot of stuff going on.
Oh, that's good. I want to try a little bit of everything before I let you guys go.
Yeah, that black egg curd.
Now, guys,
Because
fried chicken.
long-winded of you.
It's 2 pieces of fried chicken.
I'm gonna have to go.
Now, the guys,
Yeah.
you're going to be in my camera. In my
That's fine.
video. You'll be nice.
Awesome.
Here we
Can't
go.
wait.
That's good, guys. That's a good fried chicken. You guys, I love chicken. I got all on my arm. You got all on my. That's good.
Taste your chicken.
Got one more thing to try. They got breakfast, guys. I got this. Banana pudding. You can see the cookies. That's it. Oh, that's a lot of cream.
You don't need a reason. You just go. Love you. I love y'all. Thank you. Bye, baby. It's really good. You know, I didn't think it'd be that good with that pudding, you know, like the instant pudding, but it's actually really good.
We done hit that wall. They gonna hit that wall.
I'm full. Yeah. To go plate.